How to use a gift card on Sports Direct. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can use a gift card on Sports Direct. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you have a gift card which is a Sports Direct gift card and then you want to redeem it in the website. It is very simple to do so on how you can use it. So first of all, just log into sportsdirect.com and you have to go to this URL. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down below. Once you come to this URL, in order to use a gift card you have to add some products to your cart, right? So just go ahead and shop for the products that you want to buy. Once you add them to your cart, click on the bag icon from the top right and then go to the option called checkout. Now review the products that you actually want to buy over here. Make sure to enter your delivery method, your delivery address, as well as your delivery option. Once you choose that, and then when you come to the payment page, you have the option to pay with your promo code or your, let's say, credit or debit card or your PayPal. But to use a gift card, you can select the option called use gift card or voucher, which you see right over here, as you could clearly see. So you just want to make sure to click on the option called use gift card or voucher, and then when you click on that option, basically you just need to enter your gift card number over here. Once you enter your gift card number, you have to enter the pin code of your gift card. If you want to check the remaining balance, you can just click on the option and then just choose the option called redeem gift voucher, which you see right over here. And depending upon the value of that gift card, it is going to be used to buy this specific product which you see right over here. And that's all it takes to use your Sports Direct gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.